So good morning guys. So today we have to see the machine learning. So anyone have idea what is machine learning other than Ashwini? Anyone? Tulsi, what is machine learning? What is machine learning? Anyone? Why we use machine learning? Like that any question? Okay. So let's see the introduction of machine learning. Okay. So understanding machine learning. Okay. So machine learning is a systematic approach to learning from data and making prediction. Okay. Means we take insights from the data. What is meant by insight? Insight means there is an useful data. From that we do some analysis on that data. Like there is the data in 10 numbers, there are 4 times one is coming. Okay, so what we predict in that, okay, there is a maximum type one is coming. If we go for in future, we take 10 numbers of data. Once again we take 10 numbers of data. In that one number is coming 4 times. Okay, so we analyze that things and we predict. Okay, from the data, till now there is a data is present. Okay, like we have this attendance data. Like this is our attendance data, this is our complete attendance data. What I know in this data, who is regular present, like Pushpa is coming, up to now in daily lecture Pushpa is present. So I predict that tomorrow also Pushpa is present in the class. Okay, this is my prediction because I have record in my attendance, because she is never absent. So I have that record. uh, Puja is never absent till now. So in future also, like in on today is Tuesday, on Friday she is present. This is my prediction from my data. Okay, like from my attendance. So this is the meaning of this first line. So machine learning is a systematic approach to learning from data and making some predictions. It involves the data collection. Okay, we collect the data, like I collect the attendance from you guys. Okay, then pre-processing, model selection. Okay, like I select the Pushpa. Okay, then give the training. It's a little bit different, like training and evaluation on that. Wait a minute. Okay, evaluation, prediction, and continuous improvement. Okay, like I maintain that record. Okay, and I work on that records. Okay, and continuously I improve that. Okay, I give the, like there is a one machine, I collect the data for that machine. So I continuously give the new data to that machine. Okay, we have to work like this. Always we go for the improvement, continuous improvement. Okay, so next what we have to see, ML models are retrained with the new data over a time. Okay, like I'm explaining that things like ML models we created. Okay, we always give new data over a time. Okay, so adapting to new scenarios through techniques like online learning and transfer learning. Okay, like we give the continuously we give data, new data we are giving to that machine. It will by online or offline or transfer learning, we give the methods or techniques to that machine. Then it will work as an by own in future. For that we are using the machine learning. This presentation will cover the types of machine learning. Okay, uh, let's see. This is not a mandatory to see. Uh, so let's see. The next is what we have to see, how machine learning works. Okay, so the first one is data collection. Okay, so how machine learning is work. So first we have to collect the data. Okay, so first is data collection. Gather data from databases, API, sensors, or manual inputs. Data can be structured or unstructured. Okay, like unstructured data means images, text, and audio. Okay, so gather data from databases. You know databases, what is databases? Anyone have idea what is databases?
SQL.
SQL, yes, SQL. SQL is a yes. What is APIs? You have idea on APIs? APIs. Anyone have idea on APIs? How to fetch
Yes.
APIs? Okay. Sensors. You have idea on sensors?
Yes, sir.
Like in weather reports, like from previous 3 days. Okay. They are maintaining some records of the sensors. Like there is a temperature sensor is there. Okay. Like take a thermometer or any sensor we take. Okay.
Okay.
So electronic sensors, not that thermometer, physical thermometer, not there are electronic sensors. Okay, so by using electronic sensors, there are thermal sensors are there. We are using that thermal sensors for collecting the data. Like there is a weather report from 3 days in your Andhra Pradesh. There is a temperature is 33. Okay, from 3 days. Okay, like past 3 days. But today and tomorrow we have to predict what is the temperature. So what we do, we calculate like in last year, how is the temperature is rising day by day in the time of summer. Okay, we focus on that thing. We learn from that data. Okay, like in 2024, in the February 20, 19, 20, 18, 19, 20, like take this from date 15, from 15 February to 30 February, how temperature will rising in summer. So we have to learn all that thing first. Okay, how it is going, how temperature is increased day by day by one degree, by 2 degree. Okay, then we came in present, then we analyze or we predict when today is 18, so tomorrow is 19, so how temperature is rising. Okay, like we predict, oh there is a, we think we analyze that, we we didn't give 50-50 or range. Yes, it will be not like that. We have to give the sure value, accurate values. Okay, yes, it will rise by 2 degrees, like that. Okay, we take the insight from the data, previous data, and we analyze on that and we do prediction on that. Okay, so we collect the data or manual input. Manual input means I am taking the manual input from you, attendance. Okay, what is manual input? Like we are physically taking, going and doing survey, like government or municipal corporation peoples are coming to your home for taking one sheet. Okay, and they are writing your name, how many members in your home. Okay, like that they are taking the data from you. This is called as manual data, manual input. Okay, and data can be structured. Structured means in table format, or unstructured means email, text and audio. Okay, any doubt in this data collection, guys?
No, sir.
So next is data processing. Okay, so what is meant by data processing? Cleaning data by removing duplicate, handling missing values and correcting errors, transform the data by normalization numerical values, and encoding categorical data. Encoding categorical data, select important variables and split the dataset into training, validation and test sets. So clean, we have to clean the data. Okay, so like there is an, like take there is a sensor. Okay, sometime like in our house there is a fan. Okay, sometime it is rotate fast, there is an voltage issue sometime. Okay, so it will slowly moving. Okay, so if there is a some error is there, like we take a sensor, if we take as a manual input, sometime people doing wrong. If someone is saying 16, then the who is writing that on the sheet is writing 6060, but there the person is saying 16, but this person is writing 60. We have to correct on that value also. Sometimes the values are repeated. like on two places same person name is coming. For that we use the removing the duplicates, handling missing values, which values are missing, okay, and transform the data, normalizing and numeric values, okay, and encoding categorical data. Okay, categorical data means point values, fraction values. Select important variables and split the data set into training, validation, and test cases. Okay, we have to select the variable and split that data set into training, validation, and test cases. Okay, give me a 1 minute. अरे इधर ही कहीं लगाओ, बहुत बास मार रहा है, इधर ही कहीं लगाओ, ए इधर ही कहीं, कुछ इधर ही कहीं गाड़ो उसको, बहुत बास आ रहा है ना. Hello guys, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so till now any doubt? Till now any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Hope you guys are understanding.
Data pre-processing, please can you explain again?
Okay. See, sometime there's a data is repeated. Okay. Like in the starting, I'm also doing that things like there are two three names which are repeating. Okay. Like when I'm taking classes in the initial days, so I also facing that problem. Like some students name is not there, some students name is not in the that sheet, but what is happening, some student name is repeated. Okay,
Yes, sir.
So for that we have to remove that things. So for that we are doing the data pre-processing. Okay, now
Okay.
understand, we remove the
Yes.
duplicates, handling the missing values, okay, correcting the errors, and transform that data, normalizing numerical values and encoding categorical data. Okay, categorical data means there is any unexceptional data we got. Okay, like there is only up for present we write B and for absent we write A, but there is Q is coming or K is coming. So it is we didn't know which kind of data is that, so we have to correct that data. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
like that we have to do. So let's see model selection. So choose the right, there is an algorithm in machine learning. Okay, so choose the right algorithm. Okay, which algorithm we have to use based on the problem type. Okay, supervised learning. Okay, so there is an like supervised learning is there, like there is a data is structured data. Okay, so there we have to use classifications, and regression we have to use. If the data is unsupervised, then we have to go for clustering and anomaly detection or reinforcing learning. Okay, so according to the learning, which learning we have to do, like we have to do supervised learning. For that we have to use classification and regression. If the if there is a unsupervised learning, then we have to use clustering, anomaly detection, or there is one more is reinforcement learning. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So there is a evaluation also. Okay, so there is evaluation also. The models performed is tested using unseen data. If there is a data but the machine is using unseen data, validation or test case we have to give, and we have to measure, we have to do the accuracy, we have to maintain the accuracy and detect the overfitting. If there is an the data which is over of the data, okay, we have to evaluate that all things the machine is the algorithm is working properly or not. Then we go for the prediction and deployment of that model. Like we are doing prediction. Okay, like tomorrow today's temperature is take as a 33. Okay, so we predict today temperature is 33, and tomorrow we said okay, in previous year, in last year, there is a day by day 2 degree temperature is rising. So today is 18, tomorrow is 19. So on 19 it goes to 35. Okay, we predict that things. Okay, and we deploy also. Okay, we said means I said to Pushpa, today is 33 temperature na. Okay, in on 19 on tomorrow is the temperature is 35. I predict and deploy that thing. Okay, prediction
Yes,
and
sir.
deployment is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continuous improvement. Okay, there is we are not like weather report. Your voice is coming. Whose mic is on? So there is continuous improvement. Like there is a weather report website is there, or weather report news channel is there. They are regularly doing continuous improvement regarding the weather, how weather is going. Okay, how the sensors are work. They are daily using different sensors for that. In different region they are using. For cold there is a cold sensor. Okay, like to sense the coldness, how cold is that one. For there is a heat sensors are there, fire sensors are there, thermal sensors are there. For know now, for knowing where is the where how many heat is there or not. There is a camera sensor, thermal cameras are there for sensing where is sensing the where is the heat energy. Any doubt now till now? So we already see this is training the model, evaluation and prediction and deployment. Use the trained and tested model for real world prediction. Okay, we take the sensors and we take the previous data till now, and we predict on that in real life, and deploy model into application via APIs, cloud platform. This is very different for you guys. Okay, so there is no use now for this all. Up to now it is clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
am
sir.
putting complete efforts, but you are not saying yes sir, no sir, like that also. So what, there are the types of machine learning. Okay, so let's see what are the types of machine learning. There is a three types of machine learning. The first one is supervised machine learning, second one is unsupervised learning, and sorry guys, the first one is supervised learning, second is unsupervised learning, and third one is reinforcement learning. So we have to see, first one is supervised learning. So in that, the model from label data, okay, like we call as, the model learns from the label data like spam detection, image classification. Okay, like there is an email we got in email, there is a so many spam emails are there. Okay, so our data is learning from that. This is a spam. Okay, the human is also an machine learning. You guys know, Pushpa, you know that thing. Human is
No, sir.
also an machine learning.
No, sir.
See, when we are small, our parents are what, they give us sanskaram. Okay, they give us sanskar. Okay, this, they give the idea, they will guide on like how to eat food. Okay, like they are regularly giving the uh, data to us. Okay, data or information we can say. Okay, they are regularly giving some data to us, how to walk, how to talk. They are giving regularly, they are giving the data to us. Okay, so we also have machine learning, we daily we take the insights from the data. Okay, and then after this machine, like we, like Pushpa, everyone, okay, then they are doing automatically that things. They are automatically starting eating, they are automatically start working. Now they are automatically start talking also. But in my class, these guys are not talking. This is not completely trained machine. I think you guys are not completely trained machine, because you are not uh, give me the reply when I'm asking. I'm also an one AML developer for you guys. I'm also giving you the information, and you have to work on that.
So you mean it's a model of human brain?
Yes, what you are saying?
It is a model of human brain.
Yes. Which model?
Okay.
Yes, we are also an one model, machine learning model. Our brain is also working on one algorithm. Okay, in our brain there is also an algorithm is running. When we have to walk, then we automatically start walking. Okay, then when we have to eat, we start chewing the food in mouth. Okay, we also an machine learning. Our parents trained us. We are models for them. They have some insights of data, or how to, like how to give the food, like that they know already. So according to that, they all are working on you, then you train on that. Like first one is supervised learning, trained or labeled data, input and output pairs. Okay, examples including spam emails, classification and predicting stock prices. We can take stock prices also. Okay. Uh, okay. So next one is unsupervised learning. So in unsupervised learning, the model find the hidden patterns. Okay. Hidden patterns we are seeing. The model finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. Like there is unlabeled data, like image are there, image or something error data is there, or unstructured data. Okay, that comes under the unsupervised. So there is customer segmentation, anomaly detection, like some error is there. This data is not unstructured. Okay, so we have to work on that data. So we go for the unsupervised learning. So the last one is this is coming new reinforcement learning. So learning by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards and penalties. Example including self-driving car and game AI. Okay, like I think you all guys are using
Yes.
ChatGPT. Guys, you guys are using ChatGPTs
Yes,
till
sir.
now? Till now, anyone? Pushpa, are you used ChatGPT?
No, sir. Sir.
Till now, never. You did not use ChatGPT.
Use it,
Anyone?
sir.
You are not using ChatGPT for cheating. Not using. Okay. What kind of students are you? If you are not using this ChatGPT, you are not using ChatGPT, and you guys want to learn ChatGPT. Till now, you are not using ChatGPT. Wow. So, so learn by interaction. We have to see the reinforcement learning. Learn by interaction with an environment. Okay. Please mute. Who is this? Uh, whose mic is this? So now we have to see the reinforcement learning. Learn by interaction with an environment. Okay, like we are staying in bad people, good peoples. Okay, like there is an so many people who are like going to college, gathering with lots of peoples. Okay, but they know how to stay in bad people, how to behave like with the good peoples. Okay, so we learn from the environment how people that people is bad. Oh wow, this how is the behavior of this guy? This is good guy. This is bad guy. Okay, so we learn something from people. Okay, so this is come under the reinforcement learning. Like there is an one robot. Okay, so when he is walking, if someone barricade, like so barricade is coming in front of that, like one pillar is coming, so he will move in the left or right direction or go in reverse direction. Okay, so they learn from the environment. Okay, receiving rewards or penalties. Okay, we receive some rewards. Okay, these guys are bad. From tomorrow I will not going, I will not join this group. These guys are bad. Okay, we are saying like that. And the last one is example include self-driving car. Okay, like there is so many self-driving cars are there, you know guys, there are self-driving cars are there. Anyone know? There's a self-driving
Yes,
cars
no,
are there.
sir.
Vasvi, only one girl know there's a self-driving car. There is no boys in my class.
Tesla cars.
Yes, Tesla cars are there. In India also, some cars are
What?
modifying nowadays and bringing automations. Like there's an one MG Hector car. It's completely on built on sensors. On all side of that MG Hector car, there's a lots of sensors. Touch sensor, heat sensor, impact sensor. If the car touches some, like there is an accident, it will, if the sensor is impact somewhere, like touch, there is a ekdam, what we said, there is a very fast impact is there. Okay, like unconditional impact is there, like accident, it will start ringing something like alarm. Okay, like ambulance silence, like that it will start giving this alarm if there is an accident, and all lights are blinking. Okay, these all are working on the sensors. In India, the one car is now is coming, MG Hector. This car is completely on sensor only, built on sensor. All side there is a sensor only. So let's see, the next we have to see is real world application of machine learning. So healthcare. Okay, in healthcare, so disease prediction. Okay, like there's a COVID. You know, all guys, COVID.
Yes, sir.
So in COVID time, there are 50 people are died daily day to day. Okay, like in one day 50 people. So if the virus is increases, then we predict, oh, today is 50 na, tomorrow it's sure 75 people will die. Okay, like that we prediction on that disease. Okay, personalized medicine and drug discovery. In financial, in the stock market prediction is there. You know stock market? You have an idea on stock market, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir, but I don't deep understand, sir.
Okay, there is a stock market. Let's take there is an share of the Mahindra company is a 50 rupees. Okay, but it is not a 50 rupees, it is more than 1,000. Let's take a one share of the Mahindra company is 50 rupees, but in day to day life the company is growing. Okay, and it's like a very good company and it's growing day by day. So tomorrow we predict that this company stock is going to 55 rupees. Okay, like that we do the stock market prediction. Okay, like that, if someone is call you, then this number on Truecaller is showing less fraud number. Okay, you know na, fraud number is coming in red color by using Truecaller.
Yes, sir, spam
Yes,
comes.
spam calls, yes, fraud detection. We are like in finance sector, in banking, if there is a fraud detection, they are using already. This all thing is existence in the world. Fraud detection by using machine learning is there in real life. It is exist. Okay, in banking sector, you are banking sectors are using this fraud detection. Okay, stock market prediction is all over the world. Stock market analysis are there. Okay, and loan approval automation is there. Okay, easily we can, by using the mobile phone, we easily nowadays we are taking a loan. Otherwise we have to go to bank and then we have to submit the document, then only then we have to give the some property details to the bank manager, then only we got the loan. But nowadays we got an one civil score. By using that CIBIL score, any bank can give the loan to us. Okay, we don't have to give any properties and property documentation or anything, we don't have to go. So retail and e-commerce, product recommendation engine, inventory forecasting, and chatbots for customer support. You know chatbots? Anyone have idea on chatbots?
No, sir.
See, no idea on that. All are you using WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
In WhatsApp there is an one chatbot is there. one AI feature is there. You can ask anything to that chatbot.
Meta.
Yes, Meta. Yes, that Meta. Like when you visit any website, like any career website, then it's given chat box automatically in the right corner. One chat box is coming. How may I help you? Okay, that chatbot for customer support, like product recommendation, like now summer is coming. All girls and boys are all girls and boys. What we said, buying the t-shirts. Okay, so in summer it is predict that the more girls, like all teenagers, girls and boys are wearing the in summer t-shirts. So we have to increase the productivity of that t-shirt, and we have to sell the more t-shirts. Understand this topic? Retail and e-commerce. More topics in that autonomous system like self-driving cars, smart robots in warehouse, like smart robots in warehouse. Like there is a very heavy things are there, like in warehouse there are so many things, like boxes, heavy boxes are there. We have to arrange that boxes, and there we need like 50 people, but robots only we want in 25 robots we are easily complete that task. In warehouse we have to maintain the where we have to maintain that things. Okay, like self-driving car is one of the example for autonomous system. NLP is there, voice assistance. You know voice assistance, guys? Anyone have idea on voice assistance?
No, sir.
No one is using Apple mobile. Hey Siri, you know Hey Siri?
Sir, I
Hey Siri, call to my friend. Hey Siri, call Pushpa. We are saying like that, and it will call to Pushpa. We said hello Google. Hello Google, play song for me. Like that we are saying.
Yes, sir.
Alexa is
I.
there. Alexa. Okay, this is come under the NLP. In cyber security also it is working, like intrusion detection. If there is any malware, okay, like there is so many software for mobile phone. In our phone there is also one inbuilt software. If there is some virus which is coming, then it will automatically give the one pop up in your system. There is one malware is there. Okay, so these all come under the cyber security. And manufacturing and industry, predictive maintenance and quality control, like some product is we created some product, like we creating laptop, but for that the people didn't like that manufacturing, like design of that laptop. So people are not buying that laptop and giving the reviews as the design is bad. Okay, the people who are buying that laptop, they are saying in the reviews, this laptop reviews are saying that this laptop design is not good. So we predict on that. Then oh, we have to change the design of that laptop. So we use the quality control also there. Okay, so these are the application of the.
Manufacturing and
Yes. So next we have to see is healthcare, finance, autonomous. Mm, okay. So type of data in machine learning. Okay, there are two types of data in machine learning. The first one is continuous data and categorical data. Okay, so in continuous data, it is represent as measurable quantities that can take any value within a range. Okay, so give me 1 minute. So types of data in machine learning. अरे यार ये अगरबत्ती को that agarbatti is irritating lots. uh, Larry, Larry, put that in infinity. Irritate नहीं हो रहा है, headache हो रहा है उससे. Wait a minute guys, wait a minute.
Problem.
So so now we have to see the types of machine learning. So type of data in machine learning, there are continuous data and
Category
categorical
and
data. Okay, so first of all we say continuous data as a numerical data also. Okay, so continuous data also known as numerical data, and categorical data we known as a qualitative data. Okay, so qualitative data, let's see the continuous data or numerical data. So continuous data can be represent uh, can be represent measurable quantitative that can take any values within a range. Okay, it is usually associated with the number that have a decimal points and can be break down into smaller units. Okay, it works on complete numerical data only. So can take an infinity number of value, can be measured height, weight, temperature, often representation as the floating point numbers in machine learning models. So take an example as there's a temperature is 36.5 degree, 21.8 degree. These all come under the numerical data. So we call as continuous data. So weight is there like 65 kg, weight is 65.7, data is kg is there, 78.2 kg is there, time is there 12.45, 8.9 minutes. There is revenue, how many revenue we generate this year, like 25 crore point 03, like that we can say. So these are all the example of continuous data. In continuous data, there are two types of data. It is known as interval data and ratio data. So in interval data, the difference between the value are meaningful. Okay, difference between values are meaningful, but there is no true zero. There is no zero. Okay, so let's take an example. Temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. 0 degree does not mean no temperature. Okay, if someone is saying there is a 0 degree temperature, so what we think, there is no temperature in this environment, guys. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir, 31 degrees.
No, 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 no. Arey, what I am asking? Yeah, you are not listening to me. See, in Hyderabad, there is a 0 degree temperature. In winter time, there is a 0 degree temperature. So what we say, there is no temperature. What we say, there is a temperature, but it is zero.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we didn't say like that. There is no temperature. We said there is a 0 degree. Today is 0 degree temperature.
Zero is
Huh?
zero is number. Zero is also number. Numeric answer.
Zero is also a numerical data, continuous data. Okay, it is come under the interval. In continuous data, there are two types: interval data and ratio data. So in interval data, this zero is coming. Zero does not mean no temperature. Okay, zero is a temperature. 0, 1, 2, this all are temperature.
There is no temperature. Instead, we say zero temperature.
Array means there is a zero temperature. Like in winter, in Kashmir side, there is a 0 degree temperature. Okay, so there is temperature is exist or not?
Exist, sir.
Exist. Okay, we didn't say na there is no temperature. We can't able to see say like that. Ki there is no temperature. Okay, so the next is ratio data. Okay, the second type of continuous data is ratio data. Has a meaningful zero and ratio between values are meaningful. In that values are meaningful like weight, height, distance. If I said 0 kilometer, so what you said?
No kilometers.
I want to go 0 kilometers. So what you said? You have to stand on same place. I said today I walk 0 kilometer. So what do you think on that?
Stay in same place.
Yes, I am sitting on one place only. Like I said 0 kg. There is 0 kg weight of air. So what do you think? There is no weight. Okay, like there is a 0 kg is there. So what we said, there is nothing on that. What we said, measuring unit. Okay, now understand,
Yes.
guys. Are you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
In interval data, zero temperature means there is a temperature is present, but temperature is zero. Okay, but in the ratio data, if it is 0 kg, so there it means there is no weight. Okay,
Yes, sir. It's
in
empty.
in ratio data it is coming like zero height. So what do you think? There is no height.
No height.
I said 0 kg weight. So what do you think? There is no weight. So like that. So one more is there, not categorical data. So we use continuous data in regression models in prediction house price. Okay, for example, we take for prediction of house prices. And the second use is normalizing and standardize may be applied before training models. Okay, so let's see the categorical data. We also known as qualitative data. Okay, so what it says, categorical data represent discrete group or categories that do not have a numerical value it is often used a classification problem. Okay, there is no numerical value in categorical data. In continuous data, there is an numerical values. Okay, but in
Yes, sir.
categorical there is no numerical value. So it is represent labels, group or classes. It is represent labels, groups and classes.
Yes, yes.
Cannot be measured. We cannot measure that. Okay, only classified. We classify that things, but we can't able to measure that things. Can be encoded into number. Okay, we can convert them into numbers by using one hot coding. Okay, like there is an example for categorical data like male, female, red in color. There is a red, blue, green. City like there is a New York City, Tokyo, India. In India there is a take a Mumbai city, Hyderabad city. Car brand there is a Toyota, BMW, Honda. Blood group type we take AB or O. These all are come under the categorical data. Okay, so this in that also, and some subtypes are there. So in categorical data there are two types. One is nominal data and second is ordinal data. So in nominal data, categories without any inherent order. Take an example, car brand. Okay, like Toyota, Ford, Honda. No ranking or meaningful comparison. We can't able to do comparison. Okay, and we can't able to give the ranking by seeing the data. Okay, like there are like you guys, there are 5 6 students who are focused on lecture, but I didn't do ranking on that. Okay, Pooja, like Pushpa is coming on the first, and then Vaspi is coming, then Renuka is coming. I can't able to do the ranking on that. This is called as nominal data, and the second is ordinal data. So categories with a meaningful order, but not fixed interval between, no fixed interval between them. Okay, educational level. Okay, so high school, bachelor, we can't be able to judge. Okay, the difference between the categories is not equal. Like difference between bachelors and PhD, there are difference now in bachelors and PhD.
Yes, sir.
So PhD is greater than high school. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the uses of this used in classification model? We use this into classification models. Okay. For for this we have to required encoding. Okay, we convert this by using on hot coding, label code encoding. We have to use to convert categories data into numbers. We have to convert this data. So let's see, continuous data is numerical or alphabetical.
Numerical data.
Yes,
Numerical
numerical
data.
Numerical
data.
data, sir.
And categorical data,
Alphabetical. Congregate.
groups, groups label, and it is used for
Classes.
Classes.
classification. Yes, and we use continuous data for regression problems, and categorical data we use for classification tasks. Okay, in categorical data we must have to do is encoding. Okay, we have to convert categorical data into numerical
Num
form. So next what we have to see, can we stop here only today for today, guys?
Okay, sir.